Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Creating hyperlinks in PowerPoint is super useful for making interactive presentations that keep your audience engaged. Step 1. Start by selecting the text or object you want to turn into a hyperlink. Click and drag to highlight the text, or just click once on an image or shape. You'll see it gets selected with a blue border around it. Step 2. Now go to the Insert menu at the top of your screen. You'll see a drop-down menu appear with several options. Look for and click on Hyperlink, which is usually near the middle of that menu. Step 3. A dialog box will pop up on your screen. In the address field, paste or type the web address you want to link to. Make sure to include the full URL starting with HTTP or HTTPS so it works properly. Step 4. If you want the link text to display something different than the URL, you can edit that in the Display Text field. This is optional but makes your presentation look cleaner and more professional. Step 5. Click the OK button to apply your hyperlink. Your text should now appear underlined and in a different color, usually blue or purple, indicating it's clickable. Test it out in presentation mode by holding Ctrl and clicking to make sure everything works as intended.